This is how I harvest strawberry seeds to grow in my deck garden. So what I do is I take the skins of the strawberries when I'm, making something with the strawberries and they've got a bruise or a bump, and I just cut that area of the skin off and I put it on a paper towel. You can also use the tops of the strawberries when you're cutting your strawberries to eat them, and just take the tops where there's a bit of seeds left over and put them on a paper towel. I let them dry on the paper towel for a week or two until they get dry, and then all you have to do is rub against it and you'll see all the little tiny strawberry seeds coming off. So when you buy strawberry seeds in the store, this is actually kind of what you're buying. It's, the seeds that have dried off the skin, and they're really easy to harvest. So once they're all dried up on the paper towel, I just rub and rub against the dried skins, and all these little seeds come off. And what I do is I rub them onto a piece of wax paper or parchment paper, and then I'm gonna plant probably about maybe, 9 or 10 of these, maybe 15, and then I'm gonna have some awesome strawberry plants. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have an awesome crafty weekend.